How to log into Clever account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Clever login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, clever.com. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. First up, you have to type in your school name and then you have to select whether you want to log into the parent guardian login or district admin login. Just go ahead and type in the school name first. Then you can select if you want to log in parent guardian login or district admin login. After you select that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. You can use Google, Apple, or you can directly use your credentials. In the case you have used Google or Apple ID to create your account, you can click on these options and go through the process. Or else you can directly type in your phone number or email address over here. Then you can go ahead and type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option of reset password and go through the process to recover it. After you fill this, click on login and just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Clever account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.